Want to set up Netflix on your new phone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily set up Netflix on your new phone. First thing first, make sure that the application Netflix is installed on your device. Once installed, open it. In this page, if you haven't created your account, then click on netflix.com. Here, click on Continue. Wait for a while for it to load. If you want to create a Netflix account, then tap on Create. Now enter your active email address and then click on Next. Follow the on-screen process, pay the amount, and then your account will be created. Once created, go back and click on Sign In at the top right. Now enter the email address associated with your account and then click on Continue. Enter the password that you have created and then follow the on-screen process. You will be logged in into your Netflix account. After that, you can watch any of the movie you want to. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.